Assalamualaikum, and it's me again. I'm Nadia Hashib. So it was going to be my third video of doing the TED Talk. So I'm in a rush to finish 40 TED Talks and like 3 days, 2 days like that. So wish me luck. So in this video, I'm going to do a summarize from a TED Talk video that I just watched, which is about leaderships. We all know that leadership is something that is very, like, wow, something that if you have that leadership's efforts in your hearts is something that we can be respect. We respect a lot of people that have leaderships, but leadership, yeah, something like that. So, you know what? Leadership is not about having a big achievement or titles, but also about what we found in the small and everyday actions that positively impacts others. So we don't need that massive achievements. Like, well, I'm going to international, so you have to respect me because I have that leadership component with myself. No, we didn't. I mean, that they might help also, right? You're going to international, you know a lot of people, you being a leader in a bunch of different kind of person or personality in a groups, right? But it's not just that, okay? If you're someone that is very, very low profile, you didn't do that much, but you also can have that leadership component yourself, which is by finding it in the small and everyday actions that we find it small, but somehow it impacts others, right? Okay, so the first point that I'm going to talk about is a lollipop moments. Lollipop moments. So we know lollipops is something that is sweet. Okay, so we is equal to something sweet, just like smile or having or what we call talking, what we call it? Yeah, I'm sorry. Having a kind word, using a kind word to others, and also give people encouragements, and also helping someone. This kind of small gesture can change another person's life. It's like a basic humanity, but not all of us have, right? Not all of us brave to do something to a stranger. But even though you don't have to do a stranger, you can do it with someone that is close to you, with your friends, your family, or your siblings, right? Because this kind of gesture can can change another person's life. Okay, because we sometimes didn't realize that when we never did that, we didn't know that actions could give impact to others. Then the second one, we need to redefine leaderships. Like, see, leadership isn't about power, fame, or know how to do a big speeches like sweet talk, but it's about responsibility and caring for people around you. Okay, and like I said, it was a basic human. So we see this as something that is very small, right? It's very easy to do, but yeah, not a lot of us can do. And then this small thing can grow big and big, and also can leadership. And then the second point, the third point is that everyone can be a leader. Yeah, because it is something that we all have in ourselves, right? So you do not need to wait until you're older or you have that title, that you have a title as a doctor, so you have the leadership. No, even though you have the title in your name, doesn't mean that you have a leadership with components in yourself. So because our daily actions really matter. Okay? And then I think that's it, because I thought I wrote lots, but it's just a little bit. And yeah, I think the ending where I'm going to talk here is that leaderships can come from a small gesture, and it can grow big until it can impact a lot of people life. So I think that's it for me. Bye bye.